I wonder about me. How long have I been doing this? And I still am just a mess at the beginning. I've just been going on for like 3 minutes and just realized I was not recording when my camera shut off. All right. So I told you you were going to get sick of me. I have more Sparkle & Co. And this is the Iridescent Gel Collection. And Jenny with Lasheni 21 Nails, she got the dip. So I'll link her channel too. Go check her out. She's so much fun. She's quick. She's precise. She doesn't ramble on like I do. She shows you what it is and then she moves on. Here they are. They're really, really pretty. And I'm going to show you the polish. We have, but first, let me take an Elsa's Castle. Santa baby, shimmy down the chimney tonight. Is that how it goes? Yeah, I don't sing as good as my husband. It's lit as a Christmas tree. That one's really cool. Hannah Queen. I guess that's for Hanukkah. And Christmas Queen. Those are really pretty. Ugh, that one will look really pretty. Just kind of as a topper over that. And this one would also over one of the other ones. So I'm going to put the prices, and there's 2 prices, one if you want swatch sticks and one if you do not. Personally, love the fact that they come with swatch sticks because I don't have to do it. So the dips came in a red satin bag and the gels come in a white satin bag. Oh my gosh, Penny. I gave it to her before I came in. Why? Ooh, that's so pretty. So this is 1 coat each color. Now I'm going to put 2 coats. The white, I ended up doing 3 coats. But I think I would probably, I don't know. It's so pretty. I don't really think that I would put a white behind it. I think that that would take away some of the, I don't know, the glowy iridescence in that white. Elsa's Castle. Yeah, I've never watched Frozen and you can't make me. And I topped with Sparkle & Co. No white top coat. They're so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys. The formula is really nice. Now I've got a couple of glitters from them that were really thick and I used a little bit of thinner on. But they're so loaded with glitter, they're gonna be a little thick. So I'm gonna use this, a Pipla plate, some Maniology Poison. I love this green. Hit the bottle, drop red, gorgeous. I'm just gonna pick up a little holly, and evidently I wasn't paying attention and went ahead and started coloring it off camera. Like I forgot I was filming or something. Because honestly, I don't think I ever do a mani that I don't film. So you can see, you know, my fingernail underneath there a little bit, but it really just, it was just so perfect. It just didn't matter to me. And usually that really bugs me. Sorry, Penny's back here snoring now. Bone chewing and snoring. I just thought these turned out adorable. I hated to take it off. But I've got to do my fall. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Well, today when I'm posting this. And I need this. I need my fingernails to be pumpkin pie and chocolate fierce. Right, so I've decided to do the Hanukkah Queen, Hanukkah Queen, Hanu Queen. And I put just one coat of Sparkle & Co.'s Let There Be White number 002. Love their black and white. It's just so perfect. One coat is all you need for an undie. Now the glitters are so heavy, and this is a clear jelly base, so it does take a little bit to build it up, but I decided to go ahead and go full tilt on my thumb just to show you. But I just wanted a smattering, just a smidgen on the rest of my fingers, but I went a little heavier and kind of did a gradient on my ring finger. But my thumb, I'm going full on. 3 coats, load that baby up. I just really don't even want to take this off, but I put peel off on, so it's probably not gonna make it to dinner. And I decided to stamp with, I blew it all on polish, and then I remembered I got a Sparkle & Co. stamper. I bought that, I don't know, a couple months ago when I saw they had them. So he has got to go on my finger. Nobody on my side of the family hunts, but he's so cute. Just take a piece of tape and clean this up. The prices for the Iridescent Gel Collection and Dip Collection are the same. I believe the price is $35 for the 6 set of 6, and swatch sticks are available for $1 each after that. And yeah, you guys better get on it if you want this in the dip or the gels, and because I got a feeling they're going to sell out really fast. So use a 20% off. That'll be down below too. And if you're a member, you get 40%. All right, you guys, happy Thanksgiving. Bye. So this is happening. Getting rid of this giant dresser that has seriously seen its better days. Like the back leg is busted, the drawers fall out. And my husband's going to put up these 2 awesome shelves. Great big thick, bam, heavy shelves. Since he so far has not made me another polished shelf, and probably never will, my little bitty tiny window is getting taken out and a giant window put in. I'm getting a new desk. This is my desk now. It's a nightmare, okay? It was my dad's real top desk, and I actually built it for him. And it's going to get put someplace else. And it is an awesome desk, but it just doesn't suit my needs anymore. Here's my janky filming, if you guys were interested. And yes, it's a mess, and it's always a mess, and I'm not apologizing, so stop shaming me. And here is my little desk I use to do other people's nails, and I don't know, it's pretty junky too, and I want to rip the carpet out and just have like concrete. I don't care. But I am getting a new L-shaped desk, so I'm excited about that. My drawers are outgrowing all the dips. I've got to get something different. You pull back the sheet that I cover the bed with to get your head on my pillow. Oh, you rotten dog.
Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo. Boogie boogie boo.